we are here to tackle about adding and subtracting irradicals. May I call on Philippine Jokoy to give you an example of adding irradicals. Hello guys, so I'm here to give you some examples regarding with adding radicals. For example number 1, the square root of 3 plus the square root of 2 is equal to the square root of 3 plus the square root of 2. This is now your final answer. Why? Because you can combine them because they are unlike terms. Example number 2. 2 the square root of 5 plus 3 the square root of 5 is equal to 5 the square root of 5. And this is now your final answer. Why? You can combine these two terms because they are like terms. I have 2 copies of radicals added to 3 copies of radicals is equal to 5 copies of radicals. Example number 3. The square root of 9 plus the square root of 25 is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So here, how did I get 3 and 5? It's because the square root of 9 can be simplified into 3 and square root of 25 can be simplified into 5. So 3 added to 5 is equal to 8. And this is now your final answer. Now, we're done to giving an example of adding a radical. May I call on Julia Lozano to give you an example of subtracting a radical. Example number 1. The square root of 2 minus the square root of 3 is equal to square root of 2 minus square root of 3. This is your final answer. Because in this example, they are unlike terms. So, I copy this as your final answer. Example number 2. For square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 5 is equal to 2 square root of 5. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And I copied this square root of 5 because they are like terms. So this is your final answer. Example number 3. 7 square root of 9 minus 8 square root of 25 is equal to 7 times 3 minus 8 times 5. You get curious when I get 3 and 5 because the square root of 9 can simplify into 3 and square root of 25 can simplify into 5. So 7 times 3 is equal to 21 and 8 times 5 is equal to 40. So negative 21 minus 40 is equal to negative 19. So this is now your final answer. 19 ba? Now, we're done to give you an example of subtracting a radical. Let's have some more. May I call on Mildred to give you another example of adding a radical. Another example, number 1. 3 square root of 27 plus 2 square root of 3. Square root of 27 can simplify, so 3 times square root of 9 times square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. Square root of 9 is 3, so 3 times 3 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. 3 times 3 is equals to 9. 9 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. You may add this because they have in like terms. So the answer is 11 square root of 3. Now, we're done to giving another example of a radical. May I call on Christine May to give you another example of subtracting a radical. Example number 1. 6 square root of 12 minus 2 square root of 3. Copy 3. Square root of 12 can simplify, just copy 6. Then square root of 12 can simplify into square root of 4 and square root of 3 minus copy 2 square root of 3. Then copy 6. Then simplify square root of 4. Yeah. Sorry. Then just simplify square root of 4 into 2. Then copy square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 3. Then multiply 6 and 2 into 12. Copy square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 3. This is your final answer. The final answer is 10 square root of 3. Why? Because 12 minus 2 is equals to 10. Then copy square root of 3. This is your final answer.